Coffee vending machine, and you see, so you'll have options here. So you can select. So he selected, and then you can choose the sugar strength. You can customize your sugar strength here, and see, selected, and no, this select, yeah, and then confirm. Press the confirm, and now you have to insert the credit card there. Yes, and no, one more time you have to type probably. Now it's done. Okay, it's done. It's done. So now you see here, your coffee will come, and yeah, its coffee is getting ready. Yeah, fantastic. So this would have been in a sensor based without touch. It would have been much helpful during this pandemic time. So hopefully the next generation will come by touch only, by sensing. Yeah, so coffee is ready. Show the coffee. Yeah, enjoy.